CISA candidates often confuse the different sampling methods, which causes them to lose easy marks in the exam. In the next few videos, we'll cover everything you need to know to answer any questions that come up about these sampling methods, starting with attribute sampling. When we want to see the frequency of a particular condition or error, we use attribute sampling. That's because attribute sampling estimates the rate of occurrence of a specific trait or error. Imagine an organization requires all approval forms to have a signature. If we want to test compliance with this, we would perform attribute sampling by taking a random sample of approval forms from the population and then checking how many in that sample have a signature. Notice how each item is either a yes or no. That's because attribute sampling is a type of compliance testing, where each item is either compliant or not compliant with the attribute that we are testing. In this case, having a signature. Each form either has a signature or it doesn't. We can then count how many have a signature to determine the compliance rate. In this example, since 9 out of the 10 in our sample have a signature, we estimate a 90% compliance rate. It's common in the CISA exam for a question to describe an auditor applying a sampling method and then ask you to identify which type it is. As long as you understand that attribute sampling tests the rate of occurrence of a specific trait and that it is used in compliance testing, you will be able to recognize it quickly. Over the next few videos, we will look at other types of sampling, so I recommend that you download the sampling methods comparison sheet to help you understand their differences.